Welcome back. Eid was celebrated across the state with great fervor and joy. Muslim brethren wished friends and family on the occasion. However, the celebration got a political color in the state assembly. Congress and Vijay Sardesai boycotted the proceedings. Speaker Rajendra Alekar appealed to the legislators in opposition not to politicize such issues as the assembly business was finalized in consultation with the opposition leaders.
Speaker Rajendra Alekar clarified the assembly on the issue of having assembly business on the Eid day.
16 ऑक्टोबराक ईद येता म्हणून त्या वेळार साधारण 15 ते 20 दिसा पयलीं हांचे कडेन हांवें चर्चा केली. त्या वेळार हे सगळ्यां चर्चा करतकच मान्य विरोधी पक्ष नेत्यांकडेय चर्चा केल्ली. त्या वेळारय कोणी आक्षेप घेवंक ना आनी आज अचानक कालच्यान कोणाक तरी दिसपाक लागलें की हाजे वयल्यान आमकां राजकारण करपाची संदी आसा म्हणून जाल्यार तांणी सभागृहाच्या अशा ह्या पवित्र अशा ह्या सभागृहाचो तांणी कोणी अशा पद्दतीन उपयोग करून घेवं नये. हातून आमचे मुस्लीम बांधव जे आसात तांच्या बद्दल एखादी गोष्ट विरोधान करप अशें आमच्या मनान येवच शकना. ह्या निवेदनाच्या शेवटाक ह्या आमच्या प्रदेशांतल्या सगळ्या मुस्लीम भावा भयणांक हांव ईद मुबारक म्हणटा.
Bureau Report Prudent.
Patients in the GMC are facing a tough time due to shortage of medicines. The patients are told to procure medicines from private pharmacy outlets. They are being informed that there is shortage of medicines. Patients who can afford purchase them from private pharmacies, but those who cannot are rendered helpless. Essential medicines on diabetes, insulin are not available in the GMC OPD pharmacy. Watch this report.
This is yet another sad story of GMC. Have a look at the queue outside the pharmacy. They are waiting to collect medicines, but after a long wait, many move out disappointed. When doctor prescribes 4 to 5 types of medicines, pharmacists hand over only 2 and ask patients to purchase rest from the private pharmacy outlet outside the GMC. The pharmacists claim there is shortage of medicines.
ते म्हणटा ना म्हणटा मेडिसीन कांय ना येवंक ना येवपाचो कोटा म्हणटा मागीर तूं घे म्हणटा ते आतां केन्ना येता सांगूंक ना म्हणटा
ते ना कमी आहे शॉर्टेज आहे न्हू ते भायल्यान घे म्हणटा ते भायल्यान घे म्हणटा ना ना.
People who can afford move out silently and purchase from other pharmacies. But those who cannot wait for doctors to prescribe an alternate medicine or skip the medicines.
मग हांव थंय गेलो बाय करपाक पूण त्या डॉक्टर म्हाका मेळना न्हू मग हांव तसो धांवलो मग हांव थंय पयलीं गेलो थंय जाग्यार अर्जी मेळकच ना अर्जी दिली.
हांव भायर घेवंक शकता पूण जे बारीक लोक कॉमन लोक जांगा येतात जांकां जेवपाची परिस्थिती ना तांकां व्यक्त वखद बारीक प्रॉब्लेम जाता म्हण तांकां गव्हर्मेंटान एटेन्शन दिवचें आनी तांकां मेडिसीन जातली बेगीन.
Here are some of the essential medicines which are not available in pharmacy. Tablets on diabetes, insulin, anticonvulsant, clopidogrel, Remifril hypertension tablet, cough syrup, anti-acidity tablet, aspirin and fungal infection cream. Sources said that pharmacist has already informed to purchase section, but there is no response from them. Sources also said that tender for medicine is not issued. Prudent tried to contact GMC Dean Dr. B.N. Chindal, but he was not available for comment. The issue of shortage of medicines in GMC has been highlighted earlier on many occasions. The issue has been raised in assembly before. However, the mystery of shortage of drugs at GMC still continues. Mahesh Khadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe and Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Govansh Raksha Abhiyan has alleged that Goa Meat Complex has violated slaughterhouse rules and also the High Court's order. The president of Abhiyan, Hanuman Parab, complained that doctors and other officials at the meat complex are not cooperating with the NGO. He has now filed a complaint with the Pune police against the doctors and officials at the meat complex.
Govansh Raksha Abhiyan has charged that there is some goof up at Goa Meat Complex. The president Hanuman Parab claimed that one of the bulls was rejected by complex stating that it is underaged. He says when questioned about the fitness certificates of bull, the doctors as well as officials at Goa Meat Complex refused to divulge information. Parab says that the meat complex is violating High Court's order.
सर्टिफिकेट आणि ट्रान्सपोर्ट सर्टिफिकेट जाल्यार ताणें कांयच प्रोड्यूस करूंक ना आमकां कांयच सांगूंक ना जाल्यार हो जो बैल तांबडो आसा काय बरो बैल आसा हो ताणें दाखयतना 13-12 वर्सां म्हणून दाखयल्लो त्या डॉक्टरान कुडाळच्यान बरोवन दिला की हो बैल स्लॉटरिंगाक फीट आसा आनी ताणें सर्टिफाय केल्लो आसा आनी हांगा हो बैल ह्या ऑथॉरिटीन सांगलें ना म्हणून सो आमकां गुड्डिलासांव थंय दिसता हांगा ऑलरेडी सगळ्या गुड्डिलासांव कालच्यान केला तेंच्यांनी सगळें आमकां कांयच डॉक्युमेंट दाखोवंक ना सो दे आर नॉट फॉलोवींग द रुल्स रेग्युलेशन ऑफ द स्लॉटर हाऊस एज वेल एज हाय कोर्ट ऑर्डर.
He has now filed a complaint with Ponda police.
4 डॉक्टर्स आसा ते मागीर ते काल दोग जाण हाडलेले इन्क्लुडींग हो मनीस आतां जो आयला तेणीच काल हाडलेले 10 बैल तेणीच अकबर तो जाता आयला तेणीच परत आज 5 हाडलेले लिंडन मोंतेरो जो आसा गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्साचो चेअरमॅन तो आसा भितर आनी MD आसा हू इज अ वेटरनरी डायरेक्टर.
Ponda PICL Patil claims that the complaint has been received from the NGO, but it has to be verified.
Complaint दिल्ली आसा complaint in the sense त्यांनी आपले कितें objections आसा ते raise केल्ले आसा. So we'll have to find out since the committee is there. So ultimately decision of committee will be final in this case. So we'll verify the allegations.
Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Total 103 shacks were allotted to South Goa shack owners on Wednesday. 3 shacks are kept on hold. However, there was some confusion among the shack applicants from Betal Bhatti. The president of Shack Owners Welfare Society, Cruz Cardozo, said that one of the experienced shack owners was not allotted a shack. They will meet CM and Tourism Director on Thursday.
They are supposed to allot 6 shacks, 90% 5 and 10% 1. He also said we will not accept increase 1 and give the if they increase 1 that problem will be solved. No, there were 5 and out of 5 they were all getting. Now only one has been thrown out because he would have done something else. No, tourism minister or director and then CM, because being holiday today we can't do anything. So we will approach tomorrow to CM or tourism minister and tourism director. Total 106. 3 out of 106, 3 has not been allotted in Palolem.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.